This is the portfolio demonstration on creating your Google Sites for ePortfolios. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to direct your browser to sites.google.com right over here in the top, and it will show you this page. Now your page will probably be blank because you haven't created any sites yet, but once you do, all the sites that are here and that have been directly shared with you will appear here in this list. But now we're going to be creating a new site, so you click the big red button on the left and you hit create. You can choose a blank template to start with, but your program probably has made a template for you to use, and it's just, especially when starting out, it's just easier. So click browse the gallery for more. If your program has created a template, it will appear here under qc.cuny.edu. So let's select, I'm going to select that one, but if you choose to use a different one, obviously you can see that there are many, and you can even search for one if you're looking for something specific. They might not have it. So they might not have it, which means you'll have to be creative, but you will be able to manage other sites. So we're going to select this one and click select, and it will take a few seconds, and now we're going to name it. Please follow what your professor or your department says to name it, and if you're doing this for yourself, please make sure to name it something professional. You don't want a person who's considering hiring you or giving you a grant or anything like that to think that you are not professional. So after you've named your site and you've chosen it, you can of course select a theme if you prefer. It's really up to you. And of course afterwards you can change everything, but once you've decided, you just click the red button on top, you click create. As you noticed, if you try to use a name that has been used by someone else, it will stop you. So you might just do the full Jane Smith portfolio. Similarly to email addresses, no one can have the same name. It'll take a few seconds to create, and if you're not happy with it ever, you can always change it. So now, as you can see, this is our home page. You can do a lot with it. You can edit it. You can change the name. If you don't like the name home, you want to make it about me, you can do that. And if you notice, when you refresh the page, it updates. You can also do a lot of other things like add pages, edit, etc. These are a few of the things you can do to create your own Google ePortfolio. Please stay tuned for more ePortfolio questions, and thank you. And if you have any more questions, please visit our website at www.qc.cuny.edu/Qportfolio.